हेलो, मेरा नाम सुनील इंदोरा है। आई एम वर्किंग एज लेक्चरर मैकेनिकल एट एसजीवी गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज भरतपुर। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस चैप्टर 2.1 of subject code ME305, which deals with thermal power plant. The topic 2.1 is general layout and working of thermal power plant. So पहले हम इसका थर्मल पावर प्लांट का स्कीमेटिक देखेंगे कि उसमें क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं और उसमें कौन कौन से सर्किट होते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट। दिस इज द स्कीमेटिक ऑफ thermal power plant. It's very general. Here all four circuits are shown in this figure. First circuit was the coal and ash circuit. Here in this burner we burn the coal, so coal goes in the burner and the product of combustion, that is ash, that comes out. So this is our coal and ash circuit. Second, as I stated that air is required for any combustion process, so this is air and flue gas circuit. Here air goes inside the burner and after the combustion the hot flue gases at high temperature and high pressure are then sent to the chimney. So this is our air and flue gas circuit. Now the second circuit was our third circuit was our feed water and steam circuit. Here we feed the water in the boiler and the steam that is generated in the boiler at high temperature pressure, it then goes to turbine, and after producing useful work it goes to condenser. So this is our feed water and steam circuit. And the fourth circuit, which is used to cool the exhaust from the turbine, that is used in condenser, where we supply cold water and that cool down the steam coming out of the turbine, and this is hot water out. So this is our fourth circuit, cooling water circuit. So here we see that there are four basic circuits in there. Now I will discuss the working of this thermal power plant cycle. Here in this boiler we generate steam at high temperature and high pressure using the energy of coal. The generated high pressure and high steam, then we send this to steam turbine, where this high temperature and high pressure steam is expanded in steam turbine, and the turbine rotates and deliver the useful work output, that is called turbine work. And after delivering the work in turbine, the steam which is still at high temperature and high pressure, we then send the steam to condenser for cooling purpose. This is the condenser, where with the help of water we condense the high temperature high pressure steam coming from the outlet of turbine to feed water level temperature, and this condensed water is then again sent back to the boiler using the pump. Here we use the pump, and this condensed water is then again sent back to the boiler, and some makeup water also used to make up the any loss of water in condenser or turbine. So this is our basic principle of thermal power plant cycle. We generate steam in boiler, we then expand this high temperature high pressure steam in steam turbine to get the work done, and then we send this steam in the condenser, and the condensed water is then again sent back to the boiler. So this is our general working of our thermal power plant cycle. Here in boiler we give the fuel energy Q in, and then we get the turbine work output WT. So this is the energy given, and this is work output, useful work output. In condenser we remove the energy of exhaust steam, and here we get the Q out. and work is also given to the pump for its working. So there are this is energy in, this is energy out, this is work out, this is work in. This is basic working of any thermal power plant cycle. In any thermal power plant, there are four main circuits in a thermal power plant. Now we will discuss the general layout of a thermal power plant. In thermal power plant, there are basically four main circuits. First is the coal and ash circuit. We need to burn the coal to generate the energy. So there is one circuit in which the coal and that we call coal and ash circuit. Second is air and exhaust gas circuit. To burn the coal, as in the case of any combustion, we require air, and after the combustion, the exhaust flue gases that are at high temperature and high pressure are then sent to the chimney. So second circuit is air and exhaust gas circuit. Third circuit is feed water and steam flow circuit. We generate steam in the boiler. So to generate the steam, we need water and the steam that goes to the turbine for producing the useful work output. So third circuit is feed water and steam flow circuit. And fourth circuit is cooling water circuit. The steam that is coming out of the steam turbine is at high temperature and high pressure. So we need to cool that. So there we use condenser to cool that steam at low temperature, low pressure water. Now we will see the schematic of thermal power plant.